Good evening, grade 7. So let's have 1.4 lesson, applying addition and subtraction of integers. So we're going to solve multi-step problem applying the rules that we learned from 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 lessons. Let's have example 1. A seal is swimming in the ocean 5 feet below sea level. It dives down 12 feet to catch some fish. Then the seal swims 8 feet up towards the surface with its catch. What is the seal's final elevation relative to sea level? So where's the seal? Okay, so let's identify the integers in the problem first. So we have here 5 feet below sea levels means when you say below, it's negative, right? It dives down, so which means you are subtracting if it dives down 12 feet. And then the seal swims 8 feet up, so which means it's going on positive direction. So when we write the expressions, we have negative 5 because 5 feet below sea level. It dives down, so minus 12 because it goes deeper. And then it swims up, so which means you're adding 8. Okay, so applying the rule in adding and subtracting, so let's start from negative 5 minus 12. So negative 5 minus 12 is negative 17, plus 8 is negative 9. So the seal's final elevation is 9 feet below sea level. Next, let's go to example 2. Example 2 is relate subtracting rule to addition rule. So the rules that we discussed in the class. So let's have Irene has a checking account on Monday. She writes a check $160 check for groceries. Then she deposits $125. Finally, she writes another check for $40. What was the total change in the amount in Irene's account? So let's get the words describes the integers. When you say writes a check, so which means you're getting money from your account. So you're taking out. So that's why 160 will be negative. Then let's have deposits means you're adding money in your account. So that's why plus 125 or this is positive. And then after that, she writes another check. So again, that would be negative 40. So you're adding negative 40. So applying the rule of adding and subtracting integers or adding integers because we have add with different and the same signs here. Let's add first. You can start with the same signs, the negative 160 and negative 40. So that will be negative 200. And then you add it to 125. So the answer is negative 75. So the amount in the account decreased by $75. Let's go to example 3. This time it's comparing. Okay, I will not read the complete problem. But then let's underline the words that describes the integers. Gain means positive. Okay, so but then the football team must gain 10 yards in the next 4 plays. So what are those 4 plays that the Tigers made? So they lose means negative. They gain means positive. They lose again 8 yards negative and they gain again 14 yards. So do the Tigers maintain the possession of the ball? Because they must gain 10 yards. So using those words, we can identify the integers. Negative 12 is the lose, positive 5 is the gain, minus 8 is the lose, and positive 14 is the gain. Or you can use also plus negative 8 here. So let's add the same signs first. So the same signs here will be negative 12 minus 8, that is negative 20. And then 5 plus 14 is 19. Then applying addition rule with different signs we subtract. So the answer is negative 1. But negative 1 is less than 10. And their goal is to have more than 10. So the Tigers gain less than 10 yards. So they do not maintain the possession of the ball. So this is how we compare. Okay, that's it. Any more questions? Just discuss in the class or message me in Edmodo. Thank you.